It's really tasty.
Today I made 3-bean salad. This incorporates my favorite chickpea because I am the chickpea queen. But this also gave me an opportunity to use up some kidney beans, which I had a lot left over from my Cincinnati chili video a couple weeks back. And this salad really reminded me of the good old days when I used to eat this at the bagel shop. So insert a food pun here. This is Sweetly Savory.
First off, the recipes I browsed to jog my memory of this salad after I bought the ingredients all called for canned green beans. I have nothing against canned vegetables, I just typically get frozen since my pantry shelves are filled with things like beans, tomatoes, and different vinegars. I've considered doing an episode on what I stock in my pantry. Let me know your thoughts on these topics in the comments below. Anyway, a watched pot doesn't boil. Make sure to only cook your frozen green beans for about 7 to 9 minutes. You don't want these overcooked and soft. In your favorite mixing bowl, add together the rinsed beans, onions, and celery, remembering that towel to help with cutting board. If some of the slices are bigger than others of the celery, I cut them in half for uniformity. These green beans were a tad long, and to make the salad less messy, I'll give them a rough chop down the middle. If you find that some are already this size, just go ahead and plop them on in. I find mixing together a dressing in a measuring cup to be easiest. It's one stop for measuring and, you guessed it, mixing. Finish getting the dressing together so the spicy mustard can be added. Dry mustard can be used, and I have ground it up in the past, but ain't nobody got time for that today. And to make sure I was even headed in the right direction, I doled out a couple of tablespoons of the oil and cider vinegar and tested out this combo. Spoiler, it comes out quite delicious. In the end, I seriously recommend testing a dressing or sauce before committing to making the whole thing. You can add ingredients, but you cannot take them away. Give your salad some privacy so it can get dressed, and take it to dinner.
Now ideally you would like this salad to sit in the fridge for about an hour just so the flavors can kind of come together and, as Julia Child would say, macerate. But right now, this is the perfect time for me to dig in a little bit. I'm really excited. I'm gonna go a mouthful of onion. Just what anybody wants. I'm really glad that I added the honey, which is gonna emulsify better into that dressing. That spicy mustard that I added. If you don't have dry mustard from your fridge is gonna work the same and also emulsify as well. The recipe is gonna be on my Tumblr, and we will see you again next time on Sweetly Savory.